All right, boys and girls, welcome back to the Uncle Bogator channel. We're going to do something a little different today. I'm going to a chopper show. I'm not a chopper guy. I'm not one that frequents the chopper establishments, chopper-like events, etc. But today we're going to do that. And what motorcycle should I take? The only natural choice is my own personal chopper. This guy. Oh, there's going to be a lot of pan heads and shovel heads and Evos there, and I've got all these nice, beautiful motorcycles to pick from. But you know what? I cleaned this thing up. It's been a little while since I rode it. It's a little goofy. It's corny, but that's why we're doing it. We'll see you on the road. All right, boys, here we go. I'm sure this is going to be great. I'm sure that all the chopper guys that are up here are going to welcome me with open arms into their circle of chopper cool bro guys. Oh, I'm going to start a motorcycle club. We're going to call it Chopper Cool Guy Bros. Chopper Cool Bro Guys? Cool Bro Guys. That's funnier. Yeah, man, I haven't ridden this thing in a while. I put 180 miles on it just going around the neighborhood and stuff, you know, last year. And then pretty much haven't ridden it much since I put the sidecar, since I put the sidecar on. And my grandson was riding in the sidecar relatively regularly. Right? Oh, there's a car behind me. But he got a little heavier, and it's hard because the way the axis is on that thing, we bottomed out a lot. Now, back then, I did stiffen up these shocks like to the maximum. So I took this. I don't know if you guys heard that or not. That was wild. Are we still counting? All right, GoPro's still recording. Anyway. Yeah, man, my cameras are all old, and Cena's old, everything's old, I'm old, everything's old. Anyway, yeah, I was going to just take back roads, but most of the land is back roads anyway, because this thing, I need to get it registered. I have the manufacturer statement of origin. We're going to risk it. We're going to take this, we're going to take one main road, two main roads. We're going to head on up to OB's. That's where they're having a chopper show. I'll tell you what, man, I've been hanging out at OB's more in the past 3 months than I have in the 2 years I've been here. You ever watch those shows? Oh, it's so stiff, man. I think that's what I was talking about. Since I took that sidecar off, the whole ride is very stiff because I tightened up those shocks all the way on the preload. Anyway, you ever see those TV shows or movies where... And I know it's because they don't have a set budget, but it's like every time the group or the individual goes out, it's always to the same place. And so that place becomes like a character on the show. That's how OB's has become. It's just kind of like our place. You know what I mean? I can't forget the Glenwood Tavern, though. We go to OB's because I can take the whole family there and we can eat, and there's always live music. So that's why we go there all the time. Now, today's Sunday, and Sunday I typically go to the Glenwood Tavern for their open jam, and we're going to go there today. We're going to go after I go to OB's. It's so quiet riding this thing. You know, you're not used to that when you're riding motorcycles all the time. You know what I'm saying? Oh, boy, oh, boy. Yeah, this thing's a hoot. I mean... is what it is, right? Yeah, so speaking of going to places with live music, we've had a little breakthrough with the band. We've got 2 shows booked. Everybody cheer. We've got 2 shows booked, and I'm working on 2 more. One of them is up here at OB's, and we're working on Saints and Sinners. Those are 2 places that I already hang out a bunch anyway, so I'm pretty excited about that. I don't have dates for either one yet. But the boss at OB's talked to me last night. She was very busy, and she was excited about it. I talked to the owner, Mr. OB himself. His name's Ron. And he said, yeah, we'll give you a shot. And so he goes, but you got to clear it with her. So I talked to her last night, and she was busy trying to set up for a wedding reception. So I texted her. I gave her the demo, and I told her I'd follow up on Monday. Today's Sunday, because I know she's probably... slammed up there. So that's exciting. I sent out a bunch of emails to a bunch of venues, and so far the only one that's gotten back to me is Saints and Sinners, just asking for rates and a video. So I sent them both of those. We're starting off pretty cheap. I'm a firm believer in we have to earn our rate. I can't go in there. OB was complaining that bands nowadays are, asking for anywhere from $1,200 to $1,500, and some venues are paying $2,000. And he said, "Man, you used to be able to get bands $600-700. Okay, so I'm gonna start cheap. We're gonna start cheap, because I recognize that the best bands are gonna bring a crowd. And while I think our band's great, nobody knows who the hell we are yet. So benefit of the doubt, we'll take it cheap. I don't know, a few shows, maybe get our name out there, get some good video. We're almost up to the chopper show. Let's see if I get any approving nods as I roll in on the old iron horse, the old steed, the old electric boogaloo. Look, everybody's looking because they know I brought the real deal. I brought the real deal. The real deal Holyfield. That's ought to be fun to take a look. There's a lot of bikes here. Got motorcycle parking only. We should do that on bike nights. Haven't seen any choppers yet. How about that? That's my chopper. Yeah, my chopper. Huh? How about that? All right, boys, here we are. These are all the choppers that entered into the chopper show. That old tour glide, huh? Hey, like I said, I might not be a chopper guy, but it sure is cool seeing all these motorcycles here, man. Aside from Bike Week, you don't really see this many motorcycles up in old D-Land, Florida. So this is cool. I don't know where everybody came from, if everybody's local here, or at least to the county, but kind of nice to see all this stuff. I dig it. All right, boys, this one was a shorty. That's fine, right? We don't always have to make 18 to 30-minute videos. You can hear them a little clogged up. I actually stayed home from work the last couple days. Spending some of this rest time editing up this video. Hey, look, though. The old road warrior. The electric boogaloo. She did good that day. Yeah, I went to a couple spots, had a good time, and I do have a discount code on those. You can get $400 off. This video wasn't to sell it, but I do still have that partnership link if you're interested. So anyway, we're gonna wrap up here, and I appreciate you coming along for this video. We'll get out there and get some more stuff done over the next few weeks, and I hope you come around for the next one. Until next time, we'll see you later.